Hey, Deg Heat, and welcome to my blog. It is Thursday, the 11th of January, and I gotta make another record here. It goes 5:36 in the morning, and it is 40 degrees out. Man, talk about a heat wave. I think it's supposed to go up to about 53 today, so we'll have to see how the snow disappears today. God damn. I'm cold. Yeah, it's nice and warm. Nice. Oh, it's on the stairs. Wow, I'm starting to see some. This is gonna be slippery here. And there's a couple of winters. That's ice. Slid on my butt. Wasn't nice, especially climbing up that ramp. But overall, I see some grass areas, so we'll have to see how we make out this afternoon. Have a fantastic Thursday.